Are you interested in the world of digital marketing? Do you have aspirations of becoming a successful digital marketer one day? In this video, I go over a step-by-step tutorial for beginners explaining what digital marketing is, and I also give real-world examples so that you can go out and become a successful digital marketer. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Philip, and today we are going over exactly what is digital marketing and how you can become a successful digital marketer in 2018 and beyond. Please watch the entire video because at the end I'll be giving away free bonuses for you to go out and start your digital marketing journey today. Also, please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any videos when they come out in the future. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. Here I just chose two examples real quick that show some form of digital marketing. On the left hand side, if you just typed in dog toys or really anything into Google, you'll see images of sponsored posts and sponsored websites at the top of the page, just so that they, meaning the companies, can get their name and get their brand recognition out there. On the right side, you'll see a Facebook post that has the sponsored tag on it, and this company, Be Saint, basically paid to get their product in front of your eyeballs, and it is very, very effective and a great form of marketing, especially today. Here is just another example on the left side, a sales funnel, which is greatly used by many digital marketers today. They would use a sales funnel to either collect leads, collect emails, and retarget to their potential customers. On the right hand side is just an example of an email, and I'm going to be going further into detail discussing email marketing and exactly how that works. So these are just the 7 types of digital marketing that I believe you should know, and just things that you can study and implement in your own digital marketing journey. The first being social media marketing. Second is content marketing. Third is search engine optimization. The fourth is search engine marketing. The fifth is pay-per-click advertising. The sixth is affiliate marketing. And the seventh is email marketing. So, social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. So, for example, in the previous post, I showed you an image on Facebook where Be Saint, the clothing line, used a sponsored post to get their product, in front of their consumers. It's pretty interesting because what these companies will do is get your cookies from when you visit, let's say, their site, or someone who may be tagged wearing their jeans, and then they'll retarget you through Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. So you can run an ad on Instagram, Facebook, as well as Snapchat. This image on the left hand side is just an example of the Facebook business manager, where you can go in and you can set up an ad on Facebook to target potentially a billion people, because there are a billion users on Facebook. And this just shows a little snippet of what that looks like. And on the right hand side is just a picture of Instagram, where marketers use Instagram to target their potential audiences and get their brand recognition out there. Next form of digital marketing is content marketing. Content marketing is the art of using storytelling and valuable information to increase brand awareness with the goal of getting your target audience to take a profitable action. Content marketing aims at building relationships with potential customers and becoming a partner rather than an advertiser. So with the video that you're watching now, you on the platform YouTube, that is a form of content marketing. You can also say that a video on Facebook or an Instagram story or Snapchat can also be a form of content marketing. And as you can see, YouTube is probably the biggest one because digital marketers have the chance to reach millions of people and market to them in many ways and promote a product or a service. The next form of digital marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. The definition of SEO is the process of optimizing content or websites so that they show up in search results in search engines like Google. Search engines decide which websites to show for a search term based on keywords mentioned on the website and links that refer to this website. That means SEO has a lot to do with using the right keywords or key phrases in the copy of a website or within the content you want to show in search and getting links to this website or content. Right now, I actually have a couple of websites that I'm trying to rank on Google to become on the first page so that I can get as many potential people to view my sites. So many ways of doing SEO in 2018 is through video marketing, which we discussed, voice search, content and links, so using like backlinks and connecting your post to other websites just so that it can rank higher, and using different tags, meta tags, a bunch of different things, and getting your website out there so that it can rank higher in Google, and Google can recognize your website as being a good source for an audience. The next form of digital marketing is search engine marketing. While SEO describes the process of getting unpaid traffic from search engines, search engine marketing refers to the paid traffic from search engines. The most common form of search engine marketing is probably Google AdWords, for the simple reason that Google is by far the most used search engine. So the Google AdWords platform, as you can see on the left picture, when someone types in a certain keyword, then in the description under the ad and sponsored post or sponsored website, that keyword is being paid for by whoever is running that site, and they'll automatically appear if they're bidding enough money on the top of the page. So this is a good form if you know that a certain keyword will bring you hundreds if not thousands of people to your website, and you can pay pennies on the dollar for that keyword, and to get that many views on your website, people go ahead and use Google AdWords to rank high on Google because, like I said in the previous slide, it is the most used search engine. The next is pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. Similar to SEM, other forms of PPC advertising also describe marketing methods where the marketer pays for each click on a link to a website. Apart from search engines, almost all social networks offer the opportunity for pay-per-click advertising. These ads then appear in the feed of the target social media user. The next form of digital marketing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based type of digital marketing. In contrast to PPC advertising, with affiliate marketing, the advertiser does not pay for traffic, but rather for conversions. The rates are usually higher, but the risk on the side of the advertiser are limited since he only pays for conversions. So with affiliate marketing, basically all you're doing is you are connecting a service or product to the consumer, as pictured in the picture on the right. And many people don't know this, but if you look around in your house right now, the things that you've bought from like Amazon, eBay, Nike, Under Armour, you name it, they all most likely have an affiliate program or a referral program where, let's say someone were to click on your link and purchase an item that they were already going to purchase. So let's use Nike for example. If I gave someone a link to purchase a pair of Nike shoes, they were already going to purchase it, but I would get a small commission just for referring them to that product. So this is just an example of affiliate marketing, and that is a form of digital marketing. The next form of digital marketing is email marketing. The definition of email marketing is sending a commercial email to a group of people. The goal with email marketing is to build a relationship and provide as much value as possible. Email marketing is very strong, and it can really connect you to an audience of people when you are a digital marketer, and you can promote products and services to them at any point, because you have a list of 5, 10, 50, 100,000 people on that list. The key to it, like I said though, is to build a relationship with your audience. So with all this, you're going to need, like I mentioned before, funnels, websites, and emails. With all these different types of digital marketing, most marketers will send their leads down a funnel to either A, collect emails, or market something else to their audience. The tool I personally use to collect emails and perform email marketing, create my funnels, and create my websites to set up my Google ads and run PPC is Builderall. Alright, so we are now inside the software that I use to create my websites, my sales funnels, my landing pages for my digital marketing. So right now I'm in the drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and as you can see, you can create your new website. On the left hand side they have templates, so they have sales funnel templates that you can choose from. As you can see, you can create your own with a blank page. And what's really cool is that, let's say that you were marketing for a specific business, so you can go to businesses right here and scroll down to the drop down menu. You can see they have different categories, really a lot of different categories. So you can go down to animals and pets, for example, and they give you examples of websites. They have templates for pets and animals, and you can literally build your website as simple as that by choosing either one of these templates. As you can see, they don't just have just one, they have multiple, and it goes all the way down. It goes all the way down to travel, restaurant and food, anything you name it. The next thing that Builderall offers, which all digital marketers need and use, is a autoresponder, which is Mailing Boss. So what you would do is you just click on Mailing Boss, and it's the autoresponder, so you can send out emails to your list that you collect from your sales funnels and promote to. So all this, like I said, is on Builderall in one convenient place for you to use. Right now, Builderall is actually having a 90-day challenge where beginner marketers and anyone who is interested in digital marketing can use the all-in-one software to create amazing sales funnels for affiliate marketing, create awesome email marketing campaigns through their autoresponder, and also create websites for social media marketing, and to also run Google ads and SEO. If you want to, you can try the 7-day free trial for yourself by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, I said at the beginning of the video that I had a bonus for you. So if you sign up for the 90-day challenge, you will receive a free course that also explains the affiliate program of Builderall and how to promote it. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. It's free. Click the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more videos.